60 days in Jamaica. How's it been so far?
Terrible.
We're going to tell you.
These.
Say it again. To the camera.
What do you call one of these? I have no idea. Car wheel pan or car wheel barber. What would you call it?
I call it.
I've got no idea.
I think it's
What do you think it's called?
a wheel. A wheel band with three sides. That's what. Like
Wheel pan.
Yeah, that's what it would like.
Okay. Go on. Keep the hat on your head, darling.
Yeah.
Go sit down.
But I'm playing on that ramp.
You can still play on the ramp, darling.
After dinner. Is this lunch?
Yeah, it's like a late lunch dinner. But we had like a proper breakfast, didn't we?
Are you looking forward to the barbecue?
Yes! Yes, we are. We are.
Barbecue.
Barbecue, barbecue, barbecue.
And who have you brought to the barbecue, Hazy?
Zoe, Elsa, Anna.
Oi. Well done, Hazy. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on, Bea. Carry on.
Look, there's a bit of jump there. See? And this one's broken.
What do you say, Melly?
I better tell Dad. I need it to look.
Don't worry about it, mate.
The baby's with me.
Oh yeah, that's true. Sorry. Yeah, then where's the Ackee?
Under one of the plates. We'll obviously let the pan heat up.
We found a coin. Mum, we found a coin.
What's this, cabbage and onion?
Yeah.
Found a
Just need to pick off the last bits.
Can you do it? My hands are completely covered in charcoal, darling.
We found a bit of money. Then we saw it there. Then
Can I sit you down, Melly?
that's how we saw it.
What's
we saw
that,
this
Hazy?
bit of money.
Oh, let me see. Show it up. Gee, you're rich.
Yeah.
How much do you think that is?
I don't know.
$1 million?
No. I don't know. So, what? This number again?
One sec.
So what number is this again? One. It's $1.
It's what?
$1.
$1.
Yeah. Let's see what we're going to spend. I'll spend it on a wall.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
You gonna have some ackee that Daddy's cooking? Yeah? You look very comfortable. You're ready, aren't you, girl? Can you clap, 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 clap? Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. You're growing up so nicely.
Alright, so here's a plate of Ackee.
Daddy, I found a screwdriver over there.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Come Come on.
So I'll be with you in a second, Donald. So I got a plate of ackee. Misha has kindly prepped the ackee for me. Get back, Hayes. I'm gonna stick it in the pan.
Dad, look at my boomerang. Dad, look at my boomerang.
So far, so good.
Dad, look at my boomerang. Far to you, then I'll catch it. Ta-da! Oh, do it. Oh, it's here. Mom, that's my boomerang one.
Just getting it covered in the oil. Yep. It's definitely hot enough to cook on. Get it, lovely smoky flavour in my eyeballs. Alright, so it's day 60, so we've been here for 2 months, 60 days.
Since we relocated.
And we left without saying goodbye. There was no farewell party. There weren't any. There weren't any.
I don't like those.
Can you just sit down?
Sit down, Thee, for a minute, please.
So there was no farewell party. There was no. We didn't even tell anyone. My mum had been through this. We just left in the night, basically, and just
Left
bailed.
everything behind, everything.
And we've come here
and
with
everyone.
absolutely nothing. And when I say nothing, I mean nothing. We had we had the clothes in the bags. We've said this before. We were not sitting on the sale of a house. We lived in a council house.
So there was no selling before we moved here.
Just make of that what you will, all right? So if you don't know what that is in America, then it's
Social housing.
social housing projects.
Yeah. So we couldn't sell. We had no house to sell. We did sell our cars, but it's not like we had flash cars. Our cars were old.
Yeah, so the biggest amount of money that we had was from our cars, right? And even that weren't that much, okay? So
yeah, we've moved here pretty much with no money, no job.
No money, no job, no
house.
nothing, okay?
Tomorrow's day 61.
And let me tell you one thing. In Jamaica, like, I've heard it being said, and people have said it to me already, and I'm not really qualified to say it. But I'm getting a feel for what it means, and I feel like I do know what it means. I'm going to flash it across the screen now. And it's true, because yesterday, after, actually day before yesterday, Friday, I was coming home after digging some trenches in the sun in Jamaica in like 100-degree heat, and on the way home the car broke down and there's smoke bellowing out of my bonnet. So I pulled over.
At home.
I was in the middle of nowhere really, and I rang up Uncle Junior, the guy that we live with, and he basically rang his mechanic. And he came out and saved me, right? And I had no money, I had no cash, I'd spent it. I left the dam. It's a tough lesson learned, right? You need cash.
We're still getting used to that. We're so used to bringing card everywhere, but you do need cash.
I took cash with me, but I'd run out of it by the end of the day. It was at the end of the day. I was on the last stretch of home, but far enough away so you couldn't walk, right? The last stretch. Anyway, the alternator's gone, it burnt off. The AC unit has broken, the motor's stopped going, and it basically was burning, and anyway, you can't drive it. So now I've already had the car broke down like, what's this, twice now?
Yeah, I think
And we've
so.
only been here 2 months, so like obviously I don't know nothing about cars. But it ain't easy, it's tough, and it is getting harder, is that right?
And especially as well, it's tough when you don't really know anyone. We're still learning where we are. There've been a lot of challenges. But again, across these challenges, we've met good, kind-hearted people that have come to our rescue a lot of times. So yeah, we've been blessed that way.
This, Mish.
Is there anything new, or is it just cooking?
It's cooking, look.
Ooh, nice, nice.
Is it supposed to brown like that?
A little bit of browning. Ain't ever hurt nobody.
Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Alright, here are some vegetables that I prepared earlier.
You want to take the ackee out and then cook them, then we'll combine them all. It's up to you. Or
Nah,
you can just dash them on top.
nah. Do you want the thyme in?
Yeah, keep the
No,
thyme
I
in.
don't get down like that, man. I'm not just going in. Oh, crumbs, that is hot over that tree. And even having my hands that high above it was burning them. Whew. Oh. Great. By the time's come out. Don't judge me. I'm having a go.
Mix it too much.
We're not.
'cause it starts to
break down. Yeah, we're not cooking this out of novelty, are we? We got the ackee from
the market,
from Mandeville Market, which is a wonder of treasures and galore and a bounty. Hey, out of that bathtub, man.
We've got the peppers from there, the cabbage from there, the thymes from there. Yeah, everything's
You
basically
just pass me the
from
oil,
there.
darling.
Yeah, of course I can.
And I bought this barbecue. What did I buy this barbecue like about a month ago from the side of the street?
Yeah, you got it from another street
And
guy.
if you know me, we do love a barbie, just like every person on the planet, pretty much. There's nothing better than barbecuing in the hot sun and enjoying good food. Now, I'm not saying
And
that.
the hot sun it is.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to say this is going to be good food because I don't know. I've probably mashed it up and I think I've messed it up already. Turned it too many times, but I don't know. I don't know how you handle an ackee. So.
Guys, come back this way, please. Come.
So I'm going to put in this. Seems like crystallised now.
Garlic powder.
What is this tea?
Garlic powder.
No, you love garlic powder. Stay back. Don't come near this haze. That's how we do it, man.
Yep, that should be all right.
Yeah. I think
I mean, we love garlic, so hey, too much is never a bad thing. There's no such thing as too
never
much.
enough, as they say.
Yep.
I know. Okay.
Oh,
This ain't my first rodeo. It is my first cooking ackee though. Hopefully.
Looking good, sounding good.
Hopefully, this is like the first of many ackees. Do you know what I mean? This might be, hopefully, like, obviously we plan to stay here in Jamaica for the rest of our lives. And I plan to, my dream, okay, this is to have the land and then to be able to raise my grandchildren, or at least help massively raise my grandchildren. That's our dream, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Like your mum.
I wish I'd had children before. We'd had children before, so I could see my great grandchildren. But I know that's a dream that could never happen now. But my life goal is to be able to raise my grandchildren, and so hopefully, anyway, I'll be cooking some more ackee between then and now. Fingers crossed.
So a butterfly just flew past and landed on this tree.
Oh, check this out, Mish. Mish, you seen these?
Yes, I have. Yeah. Well,
Look at this. Look at this bounty we got here, just like outside our
Didn't know we got.
What? Now I don't even know. I have no idea if these are like poisonous or anything.
They're not. Uncle Junior said they're not.
But they're edible.
They're edible.
Why is there about 1 billion in there?
I don't know. I asked them what they were. I said they look like lentils.
Yeah. What did he say?
Can't remember, to be completely honest. Lovely.
My God.
We have to say another thing. Thank you guys for making us feel so welcome. We get such lovely comments and feedback from you, and it's been
I'm wearing
just
my Jamaica top.
it's been just really nice and really lovely to read your comments. Some things that people ask us, they have asked us what we thought Jamaica would be like before moving here. And to be honest, what I thought it would be like...
I've never seen a man walk a goat like a dog before. That makes more sense than walking a dog. At least a goat does something, you know what I mean?
I thought obviously the weather would be beautiful, which it is most days. We have experienced a lot of rain of recently.
So the rain apparently is the most rain that's ever recorded in an April in Jamaica, apparently, and also apparently is a year's worth of rain for Jamaica in 1 month.
So we have had a lot of rain, and I guess we wasn't.
Everywhere you go. always take the weather with you.
And I guess we weren't expecting that much rain, so
Theo, are you
that's
okay?
one thing. I expected to be outside a lot more. That's one thing I did expect.
Well, we would have been because it's been raining every day.
Yeah, I know.
Since we got it, basically. Well, maybe not since we got it. Come over here.
What have you found been the most challenging thing since we've been here?
Me?
Yeah.
What's the most challenging?
The most challenging thing since
It is
we've
to
been
be.
here.
I know, like they say, I'm gonna say, Jamaica isn't easy. Okay, it really ain't. And it is not just sun. It's not beaches and
Because we're not on holiday anymore,
Yeah, I know.
are
I know.
we?
Yeah,
We're not. We're not on
I
holiday.
never thought it was going to be easy anyway, like we said this before, but it's probably got harder since the last time we checked in, hasn't it?
Yeah, from 30 days to today, 60 days, I guess.
It's
yeah,
got harder.
we found a few more challenges,
Yeah, because
such as the car.
So the car and the mechanic kind of side of things has been pretty stressful.
Yeah, we've kind of.
We had a water tank that I don't know if it's going to go up yet, but we've had some issues with the building as well. So good news is that I've got an interview because I'm a teacher as well as a foot health professional. But for everybody else in the world that doesn't know what a foot health professional is, it's a podiatrist, okay? Which is another word for saying it's a chiropodist. She don't like that. But basically,
Because I'm a podiatrist,
And
I'm
I
a
am as
chiropodist. I went to university to get my degree, so yeah, that's what I do.
I'm a teacher as well as what she is, but not as highly qualified, okay, basically. So Misha should be starting work as a podiatrist in a couple of months.
Yeah,
Now
so
we-
I am. So
Hey.
yes, I'm gonna start work
June.
in a month. So what I've been doing over the since we last checked in, 30 days to. Huh?
Does this need anything else?
Don't think so. I think that's it.
Are we putting the mackerel straight in with it?
No, we're gonna do the mackerel in.
Because it's nearly done. So
The mackerel's
here,
gonna
have
go
a
in
feel
that
with this.
pan.
This is coming with us when we move, isn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
100%. So I've got an interview on Tuesday for a school, so I might be teaching. But it all depends on how things play out.
Toby's going to be teaching hopefully from September. That's his plan.
Yeah,
and he's
they
got an
might-
interview coming up next
they
week.
might want me in sooner.
Wish Toby luck, everyone.
They might want me in sooner. Wait, they haven't finished. Are we putting this all in? So I got an interview
do two in
on
the
Tuesday. Hopefully the car's fixed by then. Do you want all this juice?
Van. Yeah, tip it all in.
All the juice?
Yeah, all of it. Not wasting any of it.
Okay. And after that, you then start work,
I'll
hopefully.
talk about mine.
I know. So that's really good news. We're here and we're making it work, and we need to find work like ASAP. If the money doesn't start rolling in soon, then we are home. We're done. We're done like a kipper. We're done like a mackerel, we're done like a kipper, as we say in England. But what are you doing?
Guys, get out from the
Come down
dirty
here
corner.
now. Just come down here now.
Come over here so we can see you. Right, and as for me, so since we last checked in 30 days ago, I've been looking for work. So as we said, I'm a podiatrist, chiropodist, so I work in foot health. And what I've been doing, I've got my TRN already, I've got my NIS, got a bank account, I've set up as self-employed, and I've registered a company name. So now my next step is, which I have been doing, is reaching out to clinics to see if they've got a room to rent, which I can then operate from. And yeah, I'm starting in a month's time, so that's exciting. And if all goes well, I am self-employed, so I have to promote myself, and there is no steady income as I am self-employed. So yeah, hopefully if everything goes well, we'll have a nice.
Misha, I have to wash this.
Yeah, okay.
So can you make sure that?
Yeah,
that
okay.
All you have to do is not let them near.
Hopefully, if everything goes well, then yeah, we'll have that income coming in, and we'll be okay. Wish me luck, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting back to work and it's going to be me, the one working to begin with, to start off working. So I'm excited. I'm going to obviously miss my babies when I'm at work, but yeah, I need to get back to work so we have some money coming in. It's nice. We've got some mackerel and tomato sauce and the ackee. Got cabbage, peppers, some thyme, black pepper, all there.
It's pretty much done, really, isn't
Theo,
it?
please be careful. Yeah, looks like it. So earlier on we prepared some sweet potato, Jamaican sweet potato, and we prepared some dumpling to also go with what we've cooked here. It's inside.
You're gonna cook it? I thought we were.
Huh?
Is that going in now?
No, it's not going in. It's already cooked and done.
Alright, cool. Do you want to bring it out?
Yeah, and it's just to add to the meal.
Yeah, go and get it. It's done. This is ready.
All right.
I'm right pig's ear this, aren't I? So we've got a bit of yam. You sure that's cooked?
It's not yam, it's sweet potato. Yeah, it is cooked. I boiled it. Of course it's cooked.
I'm a noob.
Toby's decided to put the sweet potato in with the mackerel, and the dumplings I bought out have gone in with the ackee.
They've been submerged.
Okay. Alright guys, come here for a second. I need to talk to you. Come. Put them down, Theo. Put them down. Come here.
Go and sit in your chairs, darling. I didn't realise there was two top styles of chairs. No. Did you?
I only noticed when I tried to stack them on top of each other. Theo, sit down for a second. I need to talk. Alright, tell the YouTubers. So, a lot of people ask... Hold on, let me turn it around. A lot of people obviously ask what our plans are for the children and the children's future. So, yes, at the moment, we are homeschooling both of them. And this is until September. And come September, we are going to place them both into school. Guys?
Yeah? Yes?
How do you feel about going to a new school in Jamaica?
Good.
Yeah?
I want to go to the same school as my friends.
Where do you want to go? Do you want to go to a new school, Hazel?
I'll go to the same school as my friends.
Yeah. So what things would you...
Yes. I like to meet teachers at my new school.
Oh, that's nice.
Could you do some drawings with your new teachers?
Can I have a kiss?
I'll go to the same school as my friends.
Yeah, you would. All right, good chat, guys.
Should we play this up? Do you want to...
Yep, let's get to it. Who likes our plates?
Yeah, they're well classy.
Well done. Looks good.
Does it?
Looks nice. I'm looking forward to eating it.
Does that look good, does it? Honestly.
Obviously, make sure you got enough.
This is for you. I'm going to give you a dumpling in a minute. Okay. You still there?
I'm still here.
Cool.
Boy, it is warm by the fire, I have to tell you.
Watch those children.
Yeah, I will. There goes one. There goes the other one. Thank you, darling.
Give you a little bit more.
And then my dumplings, if you don't mind.
No, darling, don't worry.
That's what you call Hazel, isn't it?
No, that's what I call you. You're my dumpling. Look at you.
Thank you, darling.
These ones are a bit sticky icky.
That's a 2 for 1, that one there.
A twofer. I'm not going to end up with any ackee, am I?
Yeah, scrape that off. Put some back in the pan.
No, don't worry about that, man.
And voila.
Et voila. And then
There we go. Lunchtime. Thank you, Daddy Osborne. Did he do a good job, guys?
Right,
Comment below. Oh. Thank you.
There's that fishy tomato sauce that you love so much.
Thank you, my love. Looks good to me. Did he do a good job? Let us know.
I don't know.
I'm sure it tastes lovely. Thank you. Very grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Don't even want to sit in the corner there.
Yeah, wait.
I might sit out here.
I said,
Yeah, maybe.
take out.
Oh, I can't even rest it down anywhere.
You just have to like, push them away with your hand. Psst.
I've not got a spare hand.
Just waft it with your leg.
My leg can't get that high. Oh,
What's the matter? Go and sit down, man.
I cannot move.
Why not? Go and sit down. Come on. Stop being ridiculous. They're flies. Yes, they're annoying.
Thanks. Let me put the camera down as well. Back. Hey, Hazel, can someone pass me a fork, please? Oh, it's on the table next to my phone. Just one fork. Don't fight. Thank you, Theodore. Who wants to taste some?
Is it on?
Yeah, I'm just watching you do that.
I want to try some.
Oh, and just like that, we're full. Sorry you didn't manage to see much of us eating. I was just so hungry. Alright, guys, come out of there, please. Come, come, come. What are we hoping to achieve in the next 30 days? Right, so as I kind of said before, in the next 30 days, like I want to ideally be starting or have started work. Toby hopefully would have been given the thumbs up from a teaching position to start in September. What will you guys be up to in 30 days? Just still, I guess, enjoying...
30 days.
Hazel! I guess they'll still be enjoying life in Jamaica and having fun, won't you?
Yeah, we do nothing.
So they love...
Mummy, we do nothing.
in 30 days from now as well, hopefully would have got on a bit more with the build. Like you might see a few blocks actually being placed. Hopefully in 30 days, I'm sure it will be, our car will be fixed by then. But yeah, we'll just be continuing our daily life, figuring things out here in Jamaica, enjoying ourselves, spending time with the children, and yeah, having more fun.
Tell me, what is this?
So one thing about Jamaica and being here, it's given us a lot more time together as a family. Like me and Tobes have spent so much more time together than we ever would if we were in England. We've been watching the children grow and develop more because we've been present, which has been lovely. Melly took her first steps the other day, and you know what it's like sometimes if you're in England, or even I guess it's the same if you're in Canada or you're in the US, you might be working and like these precious moments you can miss. So yeah, being here in Jamaica, we've definitely got to spend a lot more time together, precious quality time.
Easter egg over there and there.
Okay, all right, Hazy.
from the fire.
I'm sitting here. No.
Whoa.
Come away, stay away.
Theodore, stop.
Stop using charcoal now.
In 30 days more, we hope to achieve a lot more. So stay tuned, stick with us.
No.
We know it's not going to be a smooth journey the whole time.
Don't let him go over there.
We know it's not going to be a smooth journey the whole time, but stick with us. Yeah, subscribe, like us if you do like us, and comment if there's anything you want to ask. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Say bye. Okay.
You're dribbling. Listen. Relax now, you're too hot. What have you got? Why?